Hi guys, it's Mrs. Shannon here, and I am going to go over what we did in class on Friday, March 6th, and we set up our flip book today. It's a different style of flip book that we're using. So I have a class handout that has instructions on it that we use to guide us. The instructions look like this. The hard part is just setting it up. Once we set it up, it will be good to go. So for step one, and I want you to look at the instructions and also look at the picture of me, as much as you probably think it's silly to look at your teacher in the bottom of the screen, but also look at me because I have paper and I'm going to walk through it too. So number one, you're going to start with a sheet of lined paper for backing. In fact, you're going to end up using 3 sheets total. You're going to want 3 sheets total. One of the sheets is going to be set aside for the moment. This is going to be your backing paper. You're not going to touch it. The other 2 sheets you're going to go to step 2 with. Step 2 says that you're going to trim the left edge off 2 additional sheets of paper. So I'm going to just stack them on top of one another. I'm going to find that red line here, and I'm just going to cut down that red line. And if you get stuck and I'm going too fast, you can always rewind. The good thing about this is you can rewind it and you can watch it again and again. So now we have 2 papers that are a little bit smaller. We're going to go on to step 3. Step 3 says fold both sheets vertically down the center. That means hot dog style. So number 1 and number 2. Remember, we still have that 1 sheet that we haven't touched set aside. We're then going to open it back up, and it says cut one side of each into 4 horizontal sections. In order to get 4 sections, you need 3 cuts. Notice on the screen, and I'll move the cursor, the screen has 1, 2, 3 cuts. So go ahead and copy it how they're doing it. And it's okay if it's not exact, but I believe we discovered around 7 lines is a good magic number for them. Okay, so here's one of them. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to do the other one too, the same way. Oh, see, mine are going to be a little bit off. I have one skinnier one, but I'm not going to stress about it. It's going to be okay. So now I have 2 pieces of paper, and you know what? If you cut it so your white part's at the bottom, it's okay. We won't worry about it. But you do need 4 sections. We're going to go on to step 4. It says glue the 2 sheets onto the backing paper. And I found the easiest way to do this is to take one sheet, the sheet we're going to use on our right side of the paper. We're going to fold it in half. We're going to make it so the slits are on top. And we're going to line it up with the right side of the paper, just like this. Okay, not the side with the holes, but the right side of the paper. And that fold, the edge of the paper should be right on the edge of the back paper. So when you have that lined up, take your glue. You can use glue stick or glue. And I'm gluing. I'm going to take it. I'm going to tape it down. And voila. And now look at you have 4 little flaps that open up. Then we're going to take the other sheet and we're going to do the same thing. You're going to line it right up in the middle. Oh, looky, the way I'm doing it, my white's going to be at the bottom, and I'm not stressing about it. We're going to line it right up in the middle so it connects. And we have our backing paper. We have that margin just kind of left aside. I'm going to glue it down again. So when you don't see anything in my hand, it's because I'm looking down and I'm putting it, I'm laying it flat so I can do this. And now I have 8 flaps, 4 on each side. Now on the margin, this is where we're going to use our name, our unit, and the period. So on the margin, if you tip it sideways, you can go ahead. Let me see if I have a marker close by. If I do, I can show you. There we go. You can go ahead and write right up on the side. So you're going to write right down this side here. You can see it on the step 6 here. You're going to write your name. Mrs. Shannon is my name. Genetics is our first unit, so I'm going to write genetics. and period, whatever period you are. Okay, and then you have it all set up. You're going to end up writing your terms just at step 6 where it says outside completed view. You're going to end up writing your terms on here on the outside flaps, but I'll go through a different screencast with that step. If you have any questions, please ask a teacher that you can ask Mrs. Walterhouse, I'm sorry, Mrs. Lungford, you can ask myself, and we can help you out with that, okay? Or you can rewatch the video again. Thanks a lot, and I hope this helps you.